OpenAI recently launched an open source version of ChatGPT completely free that you can use offline on your own machine. The model is called GPT-OSS and I'll show you how to install it. There are 3 reasons why you may want to install it. 1 is privacy. All your data stays local, so it's not transferred across the internet or to OpenAI servers. 2, there are 0 ongoing costs, no subscriptions or API fees. And 3, customization. You can fine tune it for anything. The best part is that you only need a laptop or PC with 16 gigabytes of RAM to work it. To set it up, I went to LMStudio.ai. This software lets you run open source AI models on your computer. Just click download on the homepage and go through the installation setup. You can choose your level. I just chose power user, but you can easily change it later on. Now you can download the actual AI model to run through the LM Studio. It gave me the option to download GPT-OSS-20B. This is the most popular version. There is another version, GPT-OSS 120, which is their most powerful open source model, but you do need 80 gigabytes of GPU to run it. Use that one if you have the specs. I'm going to use the smaller model, which is GPT-OSS 20B. You will need 12 gigabytes of space for the 20B version, so make sure you have enough space before downloading. I didn't have enough space on the normal directory, so I changed the download directory. To do this, open LM Studio, click Power User at the bottom, then click My Model, which is the folder icon. Click the 3 dots next to the models directory. Then here you can choose a download directory with enough space. Then I clicked the button at the bottom to download the model. Alternatively, if you click on chats, you can select the model to load. Then choose one to download if you haven't already done so. Once downloaded, you'll see the model here, GPT-OSS 20B. Once selected, you can create a new chat. LM Studio is effectively like a ChatGPT. You can type in your prompt here and then you can get answers. Type in your prompt and now you've got an AI running privately on your own machine. I asked it to tell me a joke about AI. It took over 1 minute. Look, it's not going to be the fastest, but it is free and it is private. I also asked it who the current president of the US is, and it said that its training data is up to date until mid-2024. So that is something to be aware of. You can enable web search capabilities using other tools or MCP servers, but that's outside the scope of this video. Let me know if you're interested in that. You may never see this video again, so save, like, and share before you lose it.